Alright, how to do the electric parking brake on a 2019 GMC Denali. First thing you want to do, you want to hold the parking brake button, but at the same time you have to hit the stop engine button. So kind of do it at the same time, then release the stop. When you start up, release the stop. Keep holding the button. Alright, see yellow parking light. Now press the brake, press it again. Alright, so for some reason it's not working on the 2019 GMC Denali, so we're gonna have to do it my way, and I'm gonna show you how. Great. Alright, first thing you want to do is remove the caliper. So that's what I'm going to do. Remove the caliper. It's really not hard to do it this way, just take longer. And of course, that's spinning. Alright. Alright. Take the bottom one off. Oh look, wow. Need a wrench for this one. Right. Take this off. That look like a 30 torques. We're gonna remove these two bolts. 30 right here, 30 right there. Do not unplug it. Be back. All right, take your 30 and just remove it, of course. Alright, take the screws out, take the cover off. Oh shit. Alright. Got that off. Now you're gonna take a Torx, or you can take the 12-point star, either one. Just find something to match it to where you can spin it by hand. Alright, so I got a 45 or 40, got an 8M star, and I got a 10M star. So I'm just gonna try them, see which one fit the best. Neither one of those, not that one, and 45. 45 fits the best. And you just take it, and you're just gonna spin it by hand until it retracts back. That locks the wrong way, so let me not do it that way. The sun is really making the grasses hot. Right there, it stopped completely. Now I'm gonna push it back. Alright, take your brake set, find which one you want to use. Clearly not this one. Okay, I can use this one. It should be able to work. Put this on there. Might not work because it's too far up. Let's see, it might work. Alright, that ain't gonna work. I just need to push it back a little bit first, then we could. Alright. Got it pushed in there. Now just put this back on. Shouldn't be too hard to put that back on. Actually, it go this way. I'm tripping. Go this way. Alright, put the screws in there. get it started on both sides first before you screw it all the way down.
How is it coming?
Pretty good. Hmm?
I got to run this Xfinity, get my phone reset so I can pay.
Okay. Alright. Just tighten it back up. Don't tighten it too tight. Just tighten it. You know, whenever it want to come out, there we go. Alright. Now you ready to change the brakes. Caught that just in time. And yes, you do need to change rotors. But some people can't afford to do that all the time. So I really wish people would understand that. But not everybody got the same kind of money. Some people gotta do what they gotta do so they can do something else. And honestly, these ain't that bad to where it need to be changed. Like your life is in danger. It's not in danger. You know, he just ain't got the smoothest rotors. That's all. But yeah, if they was my rotors, I would change them. But they're not mine. Sometimes you just gotta do what your people need you to do. Put that on there, put that on there, put that on there, boom. Hopefully I can finish before these glasses die. Should be able to. It's kind of difficult to put this on. And this sun is crazy right now. Bro, what? That's just insane. Can't lie.
What's up, you know?
What's going on?
Well, ready to go home already, my boy.
Hey, I feel you. Alright, throw it back on. Oh, wait. Grease these. Alright, now grease them. Alright, put it back together. That's really, honestly, kind of easier than spending 10 minutes trying to put it in service mode. Just take 10 minutes to actually change the brakes the manual way. Honestly. Easy. No lie, I spent more time trying to put it in service mode than it just took me to change it. Alright, once you get it on, all you gotta do is press brake a little bit, just activate the parking. Blinking, 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 parking brake set. Make sure everything works, release it, do it again. Release it, put it in reverse. Everything appears to be working.